Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? So I just unboxed all the pieces for this very beautifully colored platform metal bed, and here is what you get. So right here is the footboard. Obviously over there is the headboard, and these two metal pieces are going to be the feet for the headboard. These right here are the feet, and so if you want to have your bed a little bit lower to the ground, you would use these ones. If you want to have it higher off the ground, you would use these ones. And this is great if you want to store things or have that additional storage for underneath your bed. These two long pieces right here are the side rails, and these four pieces right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, are the metal slat supports. And all these metal pieces right here form the platform where the bed is going to go on top of. So these go across the bed. One big benefit to this bed is that all of the hardware pieces come individually packaged, right? So as I start the assembly and as I continue throughout the assembly, I'm not having to worry about organizing parts and pieces and things like that. All you do is just look at the part number that you need, you grab the part that you need, and you start putting it together. And then of course here is the instruction manual, and in the instruction manual you'll see that there are parts of the manual that are blown up, so you can see exactly how you orient pieces, the parts that you need. And then here you see sort of like a bird's eye view of that particular step, and then in the corner it tells you exactly the parts that you need and the quantities. So overall I think the instruction manual is very good, but altogether this should probably take me maybe about an hour, maybe a little bit less than an hour. The color looks beautiful, all the parts came, nothing is damaged. The instruction manual looks pretty straightforward, so I have my work cut out for me, but I'm going to show you the finished product in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this beautiful metal platform bed that I just put together, and my initial reaction after assembling it is that this bed is awesome. First and foremost, the color is just gorgeous. I know that this bed comes in many different colors. It's black, there's white, there might be even gray or some other colors. So this is the first time I'm seeing this one in blue, and it just looks really nice. Now, one of my favorite parts of the bed are these spindles right here that go all the way across of the headboard, and then the same thing here for the footboard. I think it gives this bed some real personality, give it some pop, and it just makes it stand out in the room that it's in. So obviously the entire bed is made out of metal, and so you don't have to worry about any wood that might be breaking or anything like that. So this bed is constructed and really built to last. So far so good. I really like this bed and how it looks so far. Now as for the assembly took me about 45 minutes to put everything together, which really isn't bad. I did use a drill, which I'm sure expedited the process. So if you're not going to be using a drill and you're just going to be using the Allen key that it came with, it'll probably take you about an hour, maybe about an hour and a half, but you should be able to get this done in under a couple of hours so you can start enjoying it pretty much right away. Now, another cool feature of the bed is if you can see these feet right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 in the middle. The ones that I install on here are the taller ones, so what it does, it gives you some additional storage space underneath the bed. However, if you want this bed to be lower to the ground, they give you these smaller feet right here, so you have that option. Also, the feet of the bed are flat on the ground, so if you're not on a carpet or a rug like this one is, and you're just on the ground and you want to protect your floors, you can just stick some felt tip pads on the bottom of it. That way they can slide around and you don't have to worry about damaging your floors. Another cool feature for this bed is that they have these plastic inserts right here so that the metal slats stay in place. But overall, I really like this bed. It's really high quality. The assembly process didn't take very long at all, and the color is awesome. So I highly recommend this bed. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you on the next review.